Hi everybody, here's Rock Around the Clock from beginning to end. Alright, so first step, capo 2, and we'll go 1, 2, 3 o'clock. For the introduction, we strum and mute. And try to make yourself sing along. Then we'll go into the first verse, put your glad rags on and join me, hun. And then we're going to go back through it and do it with a bass note strum. So this video will take you all the way from the beginning to the end, and the end will be 5-5-5 with rest strokes and walking the fingers. 5-5-5 with your fourth finger. 0-3-3-3 with your third finger. 0-2-2-2. 0-1-1-1. 0-0. 2-3, big pause. 0-2-4-5. We'll go over that again. The outro, or the part at the end, the opposite of the intro. 5-5-5. Let's get ready with rest strokes. 5-5-5. 0-3-3-3. Open 2-2-2. Open 1-1-1. 0-0-2-3-4. Then first finger on the second fret. 0-2-4 with your third finger. Pinky, fifth fret. Like with everything on this video, if you don't get something, rewind. It's pretty quick. Okay, so here we go. Go to the introduction, 2 verses, and the 5-5-5. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. E7, rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on and join me, hun. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 27. Rock around the clock tonight. A rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. E7, rock, gonna rock around the clock tonight. Second verse. When the clock strikes 2 and 3 and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. D7, rock around the clock tonight. A rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. E7, rock, gonna rock around the clock. A tonight. And now 5-5-5. Here we go. 5-5-5. 0-3-3-3. 0-2-2-2. 0-1-1-1. 0-0-2-3-4. 0-2-4-5. Hit your A chord. Okay. So, in case you had trouble with that, let's do 10. A to D7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then A to E7. You have a guide finger. Your first finger slides to the first fret for the E7 and back for the A. Slide just across the fret for the E7. Finish that. Slide halfway up to the second fret and then cram your other 2 fingers back behind the second fret so your fingers can be as close as possible. Let's do 10 of those. A to E7. Do it on your own. Okay, here we go with the bass note strum. Now for bass note strums, your thumb gets on the A string for the A chord. So remember, elephants are dancing, get back everybody. Elephants are. The A string is good for the A chord, also B and C, but we don't have those. So the A chord, do a free stroke with your thumb, it comes out in front, and strum down with your fingers. That keeps your thumb close to the bass string. When you go to D7, we use the D string. Elephants are dancing, the 4th string. And the E7, the elephant string, the E string. Okay, here's the song. The introduction is the same as before. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. E7, rock around the clock tonight. Put your bass drum on and join me, hun. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1, 4 string, rock around the clock tonight. 5th string, rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. 6th string, rock, gonna rock around the clock to 5th string. 2nd verse. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. D7, 4th string, around the clock tonight. 5th string, rock, rock, rock till the broad. E7, we're gonna rock around the clock tonight. 5 by 5. Two, 3, go. A chord. And that's the way we're going to do Rock Around the Clock.